Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mama AMRIN bin ZAINUDDIN, and for the diploma project, I take advertising campaign design and to make a brand identity. My supervisor is Madam Aino Musfira Shuaib, and my client is Secret Recipe. A little bit about Secret Recipe. It was founded in 1997 as a Malaysian halal certified cafe chain. Secret Recipe is the largest cafe chain in Malaysia and has about 440 outlets across the Malaysia, Singapore and other countries. Secret Recipe not only offer a wide range of cake, but they also offer extensive menu from Asian and Western cuisine at their very moderate pricing. The problem statement for this project, the first one is the logo and the overall design is very outdated. The second one, the packaging of their main product, which is cake, is very old and traditional. The third one, the color of the overall design is not appeal to the eyes. The objective is, the first one is to create a new logo and overall design that is more up to date and trendy. The second one, to make a new packaging that is more convenient and attractive. And the third one is to create a new color of the overall design that appeal to the eyes. Research and finding. Based on my observation, Secret Recipe actually never rebranding their image since their first opening in 1997. And based on the survey that I make, most of the respondents agree that the logo and the overall design of Secret Recipe is not attractive and they should change the packaging product of their cake. And based on my survey as well, about 62.9% of the respondents agree that Secret Recipe should be rebranded. Next is progress and sketches. The first one is logo design. So this is the logo sketches. And this is the second logo sketches. This is the first logo digital. This is the next logo progress. So this is the logo, the finalized logo. But I make a survey with these two logos to ask the respondent whether they prefer the more fancy or the more formal logo, and most of the respondents agree to have this one logo, the more fancy one. And this is the logo finalized. Next is signature band design. So this is the signature band progress. This is the next progress. This is the next progress, and this is the signature band finalized. So next is business card design. This is the business card sketches. Business card progress 1. This is the business card progress 2, and this is business card finalized. Next is transport ad design. This is the sketches for the transport ad. This is the first transport ad digital design. This is the second. This is the third one. And this is the transport ad finalized. For calendar design, this is the sketches for calendar design. And this is the progress 1. The calendar design that shape with the shape of cake with the different type of cake for each month. So this is the progress 1. This is the progress 2, and this is the calendar finalized. So for the poster design, this is the poster sketches. This is the poster progress 1. And my supervisor chose this but I need to make more progress. So this is the two poster that my supervisor agree, but I need to make more progress. So this is the finalized poster. And for the brochure design, this is the sketches. This is the progress 1, progress 2, and this is the finalized. Packaging design, this is the sketches for the packaging design. This is the progress 1. This is for the one piece of cake box, and this for the whole piece cake. So my supervisor agree with this design for the one piece cake box, but she suggests that I design more for the whole cake box. So this is more the progress. This is for the design for the one piece cake. This is the packaging mockup. And next is Bunting Design. This is the sketches for the bunting. This is the progress 1. And this is the bunting finalized. And next is lunch set menu design. This is the sketches for the lunch set menu design. This is the progress 1. And this is the lunch set menu finalized. Next is notebook design. This is the sketches for my notebook design. This is the progress 1. So my supervisor agree with this yellow, but I need to make a little adjustment. This is the outcome. And this is the notebook finalized. And next is paperback design. So this is the paperback sketches. This digital design for the paperback, and my lecturer agree with this one. For this one for the front, and this one for the back. And then is paper napkin design. This is the sketches for the napkin design. This is the digital design for napkin. And this is the paper napkin finalized design. Next is shirt design. This is the sketches. This is the progress. And this is the shirt finalized. But my lecturer suggests that I should add more colors based on the position. Signage design. This is the sketches for the signage. This is the progress, and this is the finalized. Apron design. This is the sketches for apron. This is the digital design for apron, and this is the apron finalized. And for the final outcome, this is the logo, the mock-up logo for the new logo of Secret Recipe. And then this is the brand identity manual for the Secret Recipe. Table of content, introduction. So basically the Secret Recipe brand identity manual was created to introduce and organize the identity of the company. It is to make the clear and to make a clear communication and enhance the reputation of the company. So this is the logo, a logo rationale. So for the cherry symbol on the logo is the symbol of the perfection, which is a cherry on top always relate to the perfection, like a perfect menu for this company. And the Secret Recipe font actually using almost the same font with the old logo to keep the heritage and the history value of the brand. Next is color rationale. The red color represent the old logo in order to reserve the originality, and also red is very familiar with the good color that will make you hungry easily. Orange is associated with joy and happiness. Turquoise is very refreshing and sophisticated color, and the white one is represent the cleanliness and sterility in our brand. Next is logo variation. This is for the flat color, and this is for the gray scale, and this is for the black and white. And logo scale, we have 100, 70%, 50%, and 30%. Acceptable on logo. The only acceptable on logo is it is allowed to minimize the capacity of the logo, but not less than 30%. Unacceptable on logo, it is not allowed to put the box outside the logo. It is not allowed to put the outline on the logo. It is not allowed to distort the logo in any situation. The last one is, it is not allowed to change the color of the logo in any situation. The visual element, which is the signature band, is this one. Do on signature band. The first one, you can put only half on the right, or you can it is also allowed to be watermark, and signature band is also allowed to be put on the both side, left and right, whether for portrait and landscape. Done on signature band, it is not allowed to put this signature band in every corner or every side on the bottom and the top. It is also not allowed to put the signature band on the top. This is for the space. Grid system. Typography, I'm using the Beyond Infinity for the logo, Times New Roman, Keep on Tracking, and Badaboom BB. So this is the watermark. This is the mock-up and finalize of business card. This is the letterhead. This is the envelope. And this is the transport ad, calendar, and this is the calendar. And this is the presentation template. And this is the poster mockup. This is the next poster mockup. This is the brochure. And interactive company profile. So this is the video for the And the next one is the packaging design. So this is for the one piece of cake box, and this is for the whole cake box. So we have two design here, which is this one and this one. Next is Bunting Design. This is the mock-up for the Bunting Design. And this is the mock-up for the lunch set menu design. And this is the next mock-up. This is the mock-up for the notebook design. This is the mock-up for the paperback design, the front and the back one. This is the mock-up for the paper napkin design. This is the shirt mock-up for the supervisor. You have white service crew orange, and the general one, and we have purple. And this is the mock-up for the signage design. This is the mock-up for the apron design. This is the signboard in front of the shop. And this is all the items. Just lunch set menu, envelope, paperback, calendar, poster, business card, shirt, brochure, napkin, and notebook. And that's all from me. Thank you.